How to use the TH-288 two-way radio. Hello, today we're going to show you how to use the TH-288 two-way radio. On the front of radio are the navigation buttons, the up and down button, and the menu button, which is also the confirm button. On the left side of radio are the PTT button, the PF1 button, and PF2 button, which is also the power button and back button. To use the radio, you should first press and hold the power button to turn the radio on. And you can press and hold it again to turn off. How to transmit and receive messages? Press and hold the PTT button and start talking. You'd better hold the microphone between at least 5 centimeters from your mouth. Release the PTT button to receive incoming messages. How to adjust the volume? Rotate the volume knob clockwise to increase the volume, and counterclockwise to decrease. How to make a selective call? Select Friend List or User List. Press the PF1 button to select one or more members. Press the PTT button to initiate the selective call and start talking. Press the PF2 button to end the selective call. How to monitor your groups. Select Group Choose. Press the PF1 button to monitor other groups. Press the PF1 button again to cancel. How to use SOS. Press and hold the PF1 button to send out an SOS. Press and hold the PF1 button again to cancel. How to check your dispatcher messages? Select Menu. Select Dispatcher Messages to check it. How to check your GPS information? Select Menu. Select GPS information to check it. How to lock or unlock your keypad? Press and hold the menu button to lock the keypad. Press and hold the menu button again to unlock. We hope this video is helpful to you. If you have any other questions about the TH-288, please do not hesitate to contact us. You can find the product link and the contact link in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.